I got another package. Now I'm starting to see what it is. This is a package I got from Move Shoot Move, and it's a new toy that I haven't been able to play with yet. This looks like the box has been opened though. Okay, so this is, what is this? So there's two little boxes. It is the new gear head that you can use to polar align, like a mount that can go on your tripod. You can polar align with it. Let's see, how do I get it out? All right, let's get it. It's kind of, come on. It's stuck. It's stuck. I need a tool. There we go. They packed this thing in there good. All right. So this is a new geared head. So you can mount it onto your tripod, and these little knobs make micro little adjustments in all the different ways, like the pan, the tilt, and the angle. So you can mount your Move Shoot Move right to the top of this and get really nice, clean polar alignment. What I have been using up till now is this equatorial wedge, which kind of works in a similar way. You can use these screws to change your alignment and your tilt, but this is definitely interesting. I'm excited to play with this. So I'm gonna take this and do some tests, see which is easier. If it's definitely bigger and bulkier than the wedge, but it might be worth the size if it can get really clean, precise movements and get you properly aligned. So that is cool. But what are these? I knew this was coming. Something from Move Shoot Move. Oh, it's the Z mount. The Alan Wallace Z mount. Okay, very fun. So the point of this is to go on your Move Shoot Move. Because it's at such a weird angle, it can be hard to just adjust your ball head. So this is a platform that you can elevate and attach your ball head, or you can screw it right into your camera. That is cool. So it's got this 1/4 inch thread on here, but here's an adapter. It's a 1/4 inch to 3/8 adapter. So you can take that out of the bottom, put it onto here, then that can go straight into your ball head, and then that would go onto the Move Shoot Move. Okay, this is super cool. Let's see what this says. Awesome. So this little paper that came with it, it has Alan's story about how he came up with the design for these, and also a little note from Move Shoot Move, which pretty much says, if you have a cool idea, we want to make it happen with you, which is one awesome part about working for this company. They're obviously not afraid of trying stuff and adapting and being inventive. They are kind of reinventing the wheel. So yeah, this is fun. I'm gonna do a whole bunch of tests with the geared head and the wedge, and also you can use this to polar align because it has this little screw or this little lever that allows you to rotate it so you can make sure you're due north, and then with these you can attach your Move Shoot Move to the top and get it right at the perfect angle. That's super cool. And I'm assuming, yes, this is the V mount. So it's very similar to the Z, it just has that one less layer. Will you focus on this? You won't. It just loves my face too much. Stinking Olympus. All right, so I got a whole bunch of work to do. This is really exciting. Z mount, V mount, and new geared tripod head. If only it wasn't a full moon coming up. Never mind. I'll get out there and see what is easiest. So by the time the next Milky Way cycle, which the actual core of the Milky Way is visible this time of year for like a few minutes at 4 a.m. So yeah, I'm going to get to know these, figure out what, there's weird stuff. So that spins it, and then you can like spin this big one. There's like that kind of spin and then that kind of spin. I'm gonna figure out what those spins do. All right. So thank you to Move Shoot Move for sending me this stuff so I can test it and try to figure out how to use it. Very nice job to Mr. Alan Wallace with these. Let's just see. I'm gonna test it real quick. My idea is that it's not gonna be strong enough. Well, let's tighten this down and see who's stronger. I'm trying to collapse it. I'm pushing kind of hard. Okay, I'm pushing really hard. Oh, it took all of my strength to bend this or get it to adjust at all, which I'm probably wasn't good for it. Oh well. All right, I'm excited. I'm gonna go test these out and use them and see what kind of results I can get. Thank you to Move Shoot Move, and thank you to Alan Wallace. I'll catch up with you guys later.